Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Just a few minutes ago, I made a video on this. I did not draw this. This was about smart fill leaking. But somebody's already asked how they drew that. They actually asked how I drew it, but I didn't draw it. Just start with a circle about any size. This was rotated at 10 degrees. We're going to do one at 5. So just Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation and get to that quadrant and rotate it 5 degrees. Then Control D all the way around. And just when you get close, stop and hit one more time. Now, what I would suggest doing this is Control G to group it and hit P to put it in the center of the page, which I was pretty close. Then take your Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use that blue like they did. I'm going to go and you could do, directly down, or you could do it at an angle and have a curve. I've done a video on a curve before. I don't know that I've ever done this one. Smart Fill. And what we're going to do then, instead of having and going to do every other one, because that other is a group, I can group this. Control G. Then I'm going to double click on the rotation, and it should come up with quadrant. You want quadrant. Then instead of duplicating that around 5 degrees, I find it a lot easier if you go to Windows, Dockers, Transform or Transformation, depending on what version you have. We're going to rotate it 5 degrees. We need 72, but we've already got once. It says right here, copies. So I'm going to just get 71 copies to make the 72. So it did that. And just like we did on the video before, if you wanted it, I'm going to Control G, and with my ratio lock, I'm going to make it 20 inches. And if you wanted the back filled in, just make you another ellipse that's 20 inches. Go ahead and fill it in with yellow. Go ahead and go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and then hit P. And it looks like the yellow, looks like you filled in the yellow. Now it's always to me, it's always looked better if you right click your mouse and take away the outline. It's going to bring up the colors a little more. So that's how to draw that. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.